Well, if you listen close, that's the fuel pump. Kicks in just fine, turn the switch, comes on. Now, I got it kind of jury-rigged so that it will do this. But I got no fire in it. So, I need to check and see, make sure, see what's going on, see if I got spark at the plugs, see if I've got what else may be going on anyways. But a lot closer. Wiring harness is in, as ugly as you want it to be. It's in there, it's connected, but we got to see what's happening, why it isn't firing. So that's where we're at tonight, and there we go.